everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am transforming into Princess Jasmine. This was my Halloween costume for this year and I posted pictures on Instagram and y'all seemed to love it. And a lot of y'all asked if there was a tutorial, and of course there's a tutorial for you guys. Even though it's later in the Halloween game, you can always save this for next year, but I still wanted to upload this, but I also didn't want to give away my Halloween costume at the same time, you know? So if you would like to see how I turned myself into this, and if you would like to know how I got my ponytail this long, to my knees, then keep on watching and let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so first I'm gonna start with foundation. I usually don't wear foundation, but since we're trying to be Princess Jasmine like a cartoon, we wanna wear foundation because we want our skin to be, bam, like a porcelain doll. So I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation. Y'all, excuse my nails. I don't even know, I don't know. This is in the shade 360. I'm just gonna use one pump, I think. Yeah, we'll see. And just put it all over. And then after that, I'm gonna use concealer, and I want to use a very thick concealer. I'm gonna use Tape Shape and Tan Sand. This one used to be my go-to, but it's too much for me now. So I only use it when I have things like this, a costume. I'm just gonna blend that out. There we go. Now I'm just gonna set it with Laura Mercier translucent powder. So for this Princess Jasmine, I wanted it to be more traditional. I didn't want to go all out in the makeup. I just wanted it to look like the cartoon, which she basically just wore an eyeliner and lipstick. So that's what your girl did. After that, I'm gonna set the rest of my face with the Sephora Micro Smooth powder. There we go, skin looking like a doll. Now I'm gonna use Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. This one I'm gonna go a little bit heavier on than I normally would because I'm like a princess cartoon. So you just wanna look snatched. Done. Now I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I'm gonna use the Precisely My Brow. This one's in the shade 6. I'm just gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows probably a little bit darker than I usually would, but still natural. And I'm gonna follow my natural brow shape. I'm not gonna do any kind of round ones like hers. Okay, now I'm just gonna set the brows, 24-hour brow setter. And then for eyes, I'm only gonna do a really big winged eyeliner, nothing else. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this Fenty Beauty Fly Liner. And then we're gonna do the wing. This thing gets you the sharpest wing ever. Excuse me. I'm not trying to show too much skin for you. There we go. And then I'm gonna add on some lashes. Of course, you already know what I'm using if you watch my videos. My Eylure Curly Queen lashes. These is my favorite. Like, I like my other lashes and I wear my other lashes, but if I'm just trying to get like a lash that'll go good with anything, this is the one, baby. After you get the lashes on, don't forget to curl them for the maximum feel. Look, I mean. Oh, when you curl them, they just turn so heavenly. Now I'm just gonna put on some mascara. I'm gonna use the NARS Climax mascara today. And then before I put on my bottom mascara, I'm gonna put on some lighter eyeliner. So this is a tan eyeliner, and I was gonna use a white one, but white kind of shows up like really strong. So what I like to do is get the tan eyeliner and then just like draw a little bit of white on top of it. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put that in my waterline lightly. Just like to mix it in on my finger, warm it up. And then that's kind of like how you get like the cartoon eyes. It makes your eyes a little bit bigger. And then after that, if you have a lighter color eyeliner, I would use that, but I'm just gonna use my Precisely My Brow Pencil. And we're gonna draw like very, very lightly underneath the lower lash line. Don't get it in your waterline. We're just gonna outline the lashes a little bit. And I like using the brow pencil because it's not as dark as like a black eyeliner. We kind of just want like a shadow underneath there. And then just add the bottom mascara. And then for highlight, I'm actually gonna use this Artist Couture, their new Diamond Luxe Luminizer. This one is in Hot Damn. And then now for lips, I'm gonna use this Fenty Beauty Stunna Lip Paint in Uncuffed. Okay, so the face is done. Now it's time for the hair. Okay, so I'm starting off with my hair blown out. So I blow dried my hair. And the reason why I blow dried it is so it matches the hair that I'm gonna use. So you just want to part your hair in the middle. And then I'm going to pull out this front part, kind of like right there. I didn't want it too big because I want to be able to see the little Princess Jasmine headband. So you just want to part off the front. And do that to both sides. Wha-bam! Okay, so I'm gonna twist this and like put it underneath my neck. The struggles. We're just gonna hold this hair here really quick. Now we're gonna pull this part back into a ponytail. So I just comb it straight back. I'm gonna get a little brush. I'm gonna brush it back nice and smooth. Get a hair tie, a big one. And I'm gonna leave a little bit of room in the hair tie for later. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and get the Princess Jasmine headband. This came with my costume. It's Velcro, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put this in my hair right behind that part and then put it underneath the ponytail. There we go. Now you can take this part out. So this part, I just wanna smooth it back a little bit. It's not gonna be super flat and smooth because it is blown out. It's gonna be kind of frizzy. But you just wanna do like a loose little twist. Just like this all the way back. And it's gonna look really small, but it's okay. We're gonna get this part. And then that's why I left the hair tie loose, because we're gonna shove it in there. So pull it through the hair tie. And then we're gonna do the same thing to this side. And then since it's back there, you can keep it tight or you can pull it a little bit so it gets a little bit more volume like that, see? Oh, because that's how she has like that really big swoop kind of thing. And of course, I'm gonna do my edges. Never leave out the edges. Princess Jasmine, you didn't have edges back then, but now you do. So I'm just gonna do some little swoops. There we go, so the baby hairs are now done. Now it's time to do the ponytail. So this hair in the back, I just want to go ahead and twist it into a little ponytail so that it's not in the way. So just split it in two and then twist it up. Okay, so for my ponytail, it's gonna be like down to my ankles. I'm actually going to use this hair right here. It is ultralight premium braiding hair. This is super jumbo, it's color 1. I don't know, this is the brand. I know I got this at a little hair store back home. You see the hair texture? It's like not completely straight. It's kind of like a blown out kind of look. That's why I blowed out my hair. So this is the hair. And the hair comes folded in half. So normally people would get this and then put this so it would be like this long. But me, I'm gonna unfold it and we're gonna use 4 of them like this so that the hair goes all the way down. So you just wanna take off this rubber band. Okay, so I got all 4 of them together. So this is 4 packs of that. This is how thick it is. It's very thick. It's great for that ponytail. And I went ahead and you wanna put a hair tie really tight at the end so hair doesn't slip out in the middle. But I'm also going to just like put another hair tie in to like keep it in there tight. Like you just want this to stay like this. And then with the hair tie that's already in here, you're gonna loop a bigger hair tie in it. So I like to put the hair, loop this through just like this, and then go through it again to where it's like a little kind of knot kind of thing. So now they're together. The hair has this little hair on this side, so you want to put that on the inside. So go ahead and wrap this around your ponytail that's already made. There we go, see? And then just wrap it around again. So here's all the fake hair, and then here's my ponytail. There we go. Ah! Okay, now you want to move this little knot to the bottom. And then you want to get the hair and wrap it around your twisty. My twisty kind of came out, so I'm going to redo it really quick. I'm probably going to braid it real quick. So just do like a loose braid. You don't have to, it doesn't have to be nice. You're not going to see it. We're going to put the hair over your own hair. So basically we're just gonna get this hair, and then my braid's right here. So we're gonna put the hair all around the braid, just like this. So tuck it in the inside. And then, since the hair is so long, you're gonna wanna get string instead of a rubber band. So I have this string right here, and I just cut some pieces. So you just want to get like string like this, and then go behind it, and then tie a knot in it. Tie it as tight as you can get it. There we go. And then just cut the excess string off. And then do that all the way down. And then the very last one, I'm gonna go ahead and use a rubber band. Do y'all chain hang low? Do it wobble to the flow? There we go. So now the hair is done, all the way down to the flow. So I want to cover this with blue, so I have these ribbons, and I'm gonna cut them. And then I also have these little Velcro things. They just stick on, so I can just Velcro it around. So I'm just gonna get the ribbon, wrap it around, wrap it over the gold string, or whatever color string, and then push it together, and then it Velcros, and it sticks together. There we go. And then just do that to all of them. Wrap it around, Velcro it, and then move that Velcro part back to the back. And if you have any extra hair hanging out the bottom, just go ahead and cut it. Like, that's too long. Yeah, just chop it off. And there we go. The ponytail is done. Now it's time for me to put on my fancy jewelry. Let me change my pants real quick. And there we go. This is the final look. I have transformed to Princess Jasmine. And then this is how long the hair actually is. And then if I stand up, you still can't see. There we go. That's my knee. So it's down to my knees. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I turned myself into a real life Princess Jasmine. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!